They were known as the holdouts, Japanese soldiers who refused to surrender after the end of World War II. Dozens fought on from their jungle strongholds, refusing to believe that the Japanese Empire had been defeated. One of the last to surrender was Hiroo Onoda, who spent 30 years waging his own guerrilla war on an island in the Philippines. He eventually laid down his arms after his former commanding officer returned to the Philippines in 1974 and ordered him to give up. North Asia correspondent Mark Willesee reports from Tokyo.
He fought for emperor and empire. A soldier who believed defeat would never cast its shadow on the land of the rising sun. Hiroo Onoda has come today to the Yasukuni Shrine to pray for his comrades who died in the dense jungles and deep waters of the Pacific.
I was enshrined here at Yasukuni because they thought I too was dead. It said this shrine collects the spirits of the fallen, and because I wasn't dead, my spirit was not collected. I deceived them.
The Yasukuni Shrine is believed to house the souls of Japan's 2.5 million war dead, including 14 Class A war criminals. Hiroo Onoda's name is no longer here, but even today he's still called Ikete Ita Ere, or the living spirit of the war dead.